So after review, no rule that he trapped the ball. Good call from the booth. He definitely did not have possession of that ball.
Hannah, what are you doing?